Hey, what's up guys? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I have here a Bandai kit which came from a super robot line and one of the iconic robot during the 70s and 80s, which is the UFO Grendizer. So this is the Grendizer model kit from the Infinitism series. So I already had the Mazin Kaiser Infinitism, and to be honest, this is much more I like than the other Infinitism kits such as the Great Mazinger, the Mazinger Z, and Getter Robo, or the other one I forgot, this Kotetsuji. Yes, this Kotetsuji. I only like two. First is the Mazin Kaiser, and this one Grendizer, because of the cool backpack of this. And to be honest, I didn't watch any single episode of this Mecha series, but as per watching the reviews of this kit, I tried watching some of the clips and I find it amazing. So maybe one of these days I will watch the Grendizer anime series. Anyway, let's check this kit out and let's see what's inside this Grendizer Infinitism by Bandai. So this is high grade kit, by the way. So the box art here shows the angst face of Grendizer, and I really like the appearance of this kit because to be honest, if you're going to watch the clips from the anime, I find that this kit looks like, or this robot looks like a clown. But in this box art, he looks very sexy and a very serious type. So it's not a clown looking mecha right now on this box art. So we can see here a plastic model kit written, and it's Grendizer Infinitism. So it's a Bandai high grade. So it says here high grade 1 and 144 scale. But to be honest, the Mazin Kaiser stands about a high grade, master grade height of a kit. Oh, there's an ambulance outside. Anyway, this Grendizer, as I watch from the reviews, it stands like about a master grade kit, a normal master grade kit. So it's not bad since I'm a master grade kit collector and a 1/100 grade kit collector as well. So you can see here high grade and the UFO Grendizer in Japanese Japanese text, and it's Bandai Namco. And the side of the box, we can see here the colorful Grendizer flying with his double spacer, those pads here. So this is the backpack or the flight pack for the Grendizer, and we can see here the double Harken and the single Harken, so we can combine these blades or the Harken blades there. We can see here the face of Grendizer and this anti-gravity storm. Okay, there's this super robot super robot features. So we have here the Screw Crusher Punch and this Space Thunder. So the head consists of intricate parts to recreate color division. So it means this is really a color separated plastic parts, which is very nice. And let's see inside. Maybe there's still a sticker included. So we can see here Grendizer and the other Infinitism kits, which is the Great Mazinger and the Mazinger Z. And in the middle is the Grendizer. So if we open the box here, we can see the instruction manual, and in the instruction manual we can see the face of the grendizer and the actual kit itself there, and we can see some parts there, parts list. To be honest, this is much better than the Mazin Kaiser, because Mazin Kaiser has more unnecessary parts included than this grendizer. I can still see parts here with the cross, meaning this is not included for the kit, and it's not that much, to be honest. Unlike the Mazin Kaiser, which is very frustrating because it feels like I bought a plastic kit where most parts are not necessary to be used. So in short, I feel like I bought a junk out of a kit. So Bandai scammed me. I just feel like that. Bandai scammed me when I bought the Mazin Kaiser kit. Anyway, this one, this grendizer doesn't have that junks, or it's not that much. Anyway, it's forgivable. And we have here stand included for the kit, and oh, there's still stickers. So again, the usual Bandai style of printing manual, which is black and white. So I can see here that the face has separated parts, which is very nice for this kit, meaning it has a color separated, much color separation, and it will look nicely when done. So there's this jetpack included, the double Harkins, and there we have the display base instruction there. So the back of the manual, we can see the grendizer and some pictures for the features. There's this double spats here, and anti-gravity storm and space thunder. Really a super robot feature for this kit. Anyway, let's go to the packs. Here we have here gray parts and gray, another gray, dark gray parts, and we have here some, I don't know if it is if you can see the same in the screen. This is like a dark purple parts there. We have, yes, these are the parts for the action base. So good thing there's an action base included. So we have here maroon parts for the arms and the screw punch. We have here there's maroon parts and black parts. We have gray parts or silver parts for the Harkins, white parts for the armor pieces. So we have here blue parts, dark blue parts, and yellow parts. Multicolored runner for yes, this runner A. There's this clear red piece there for the chest part. There's the yellow parts there for, I think, this one for the horn, and white parts there for the backpack. So we have here dark purple parts here, yep, and gray parts there. And finally, we have here gray parts, and I think this is not included because these are the Mazinger blades. And we have here black parts for the torso and color correcting stickers. I think I will not use much of these stickers because these are just a correcting one, color correcting. Anyway, let's open the packs. So as always, let's have a quick runner review before we build the kit. So we have here multi-colored runner for the runner A. So we have here clear red piece here for the chest part. We have orange, semi-orange color part here for the horn. All white parts for the backpack, and there's this transparent parts here for, I think this one for the canopy of the backpack. And we have here maroon parts for the wings of the backpack and the screw punch parts. Again, we have here another maroon parts for the B2, so B2 runner. And this one, by the way, we forget to see, this is a B1 runner, and this one B2 runner. We have here white parts for runner H, so we have 2 sets of runner H. We have here gray parts for the blades, the Harken blades. So we have here C2 runner, and we have here E2 runner. We have here 2 sets of runner G, so these are runner G here for the blue parts. This dark purple parts we have here is runner J2, and we have here another one for runner J1. So these are for the hand parts. We have here yellow parts for the runner I, so we have 2 sets of runner I here. We have black parts here for the feet, so this is runner D2. We have silver parts here for runner E1, so we have E2 and we have E1 here. So this is E1 here. We have ABS plastic here for runner F2. These are for the joint parts and the inner frames. We have runner D1 here for the torso parts and the feet part, or the foot part. So this is runner D1. And we have runner C1 here for the torso parts. So these are gray parts here, or silver parts. And finally, we have here dark gray parts for runner F1. So this is an ABS type of plastic for the inner frames and joint parts. So let's not forget, we have here color correcting stickers for this kit, and I think I will not use much of this. Let's see while building. And let's not forget also, we have here action base included, and I think I will not use this one, and I will just preserve this. Maybe I can use this in the future for other kits. So again, this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio. Thank you very much for watching this review here, the unboxing, and see you next time on the actual kit review. Goodbye, God bless, and take care.